warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello and welcome to Inforya News, your trusted source for the latest information and updates. Good day to all our viewers wherever you are. My name is Yolanda Putri Nofiandyta, 12th grade Computer and Network Engineering 1, and I will be accompanying you with today's news report. Today's report comes from Bekasi, where a road closure has caused traffic congestion and affected many motorists in the area. A section of Jalan Swatantra in Bekasi is currently undergoing road repairs and concrete casting. Because of this construction project, part of the road has been temporarily closed, and the authorities have implemented a traffic control system with alternating lanes to manage the flow of vehicles. Their work is being carried out to improve road conditions and provide safer transportation for the public. However, during the construction process, traffic congestion has become unavoidable, especially during a busy hours in the morning and afternoon. Reports from the location also mention an incident where a truck overturned near the construction area, causing additional disruption to traffic. Fortunately, no serious injuries were reported, but the accident made the traffic situation even more crowded for the drivers passing through the area. In addition, several vehicles reportedly experienced problems when their tires accidentally entered the wet concrete area. Some drivers were unaware of the freshly poured concrete, causing their vehicles to become stuck and requiring assistance from workers at the site. To prevent further in the incidents, authorities have installed warning signs and safety barriers around the construction area. Traffic officers are also present at the location to help regulate vehicles and ensure the situation remains under control. Drivers are advised to slow down, follow traffic directions, and remain careful when passing through the construction zone. Local authorities state that the road repair project is expected to continue for the next several days. Once completed, the road is expected to be smoother, safer, and more comfortable for daily commuters. After several days of repair work, the good news is that the road has been now reopened and can already accessed by residents and motorists. Traffic conditions in the area have gradually returned to normal as vehicles are now able to pass through the road again. With the road now repaired and reopened, local residents say they feel safer and more comfortable when traveling through the area. That was the latest update regarding the road repair and temporary closure in Bekasi. I'm Yolanda Putri, reporting for Inforia News. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay safe, and see you in the next update. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.